Hello, this is Bitcoin Guide. Yes, this is the Bitcoin chart analysis for July 24th. Today we're looking at a long position strategy. We're keeping the 64.8 thousand long position from our last entry yesterday and connecting it to today's strategy. Today the red finger points to the 64.7K long position entry zone with the first target at 65.5K. The first target for the upward wave is the 66.1K top zone, and over the weekend, a good target is 66.5K, with the final great target reaching up to 67.1K. Yes, that's the final target price for the weekend. I've set a tight stop loss at the purple support line, but if it breaks below this, the bottom zone is at 64.3K, and it could drop to a maximum of zone 1 at 63.9K, so you need to be careful. To briefly explain the reasoning behind today's strategy, here's a quick tip. On today's daily chart, there's a lower tail on the daily candle. There's a lower tail here, and if this area holds, the rebound can continue. If this area breaks, the daily zone 1 at the bottom I marked, zone 1, is near the middle band of the daily Bollinger Bands. So the pattern would break and it could become a bad spot. So it's best if the purple support line holds today. I'll leave you with a midterm market outlook. I've marked the rough movement for the Nasdaq today, and there's also a gap zone at the top. More than that being important, if you look at the Nasdaq on the daily chart, it's been repeatedly testing the support line, the Bollinger Bands support line. For the pattern to recover here, the daily support line and the weekly middle band need to meet, which should happen this week, early this morning, and by 5:30 a.m. on Saturday to see if it touches. That's the key. There's an error here, yes. This should be 27.7K. If we get a sideways market or a rebound this week, the weekly middle band will rise, so it's going to come down to test it anyway. So this week, if it touches 27.7K, that's the major support line. If it goes sideways or rebounds, it'll touch a new support line next week. So keep a close eye on how it tests the weekly middle band. That's it for my analysis. Please use my posts and videos for reference only. If you subscribe and like, you can get updates the fastest. Thanks for your hard work this week, and thank you for watching.